Namaste everyone. Welcome to Utsav Yoga. My name is Jeet. An ideal yogic session is the one when it covers each and every part of the body. So today we are going to work in flexibility of each and every part of the body in this yogic session. So let's start this and come to the tabletop pose. First of all, make sure that your arms are open up to shoulder width apart and knees up to hip width apart. Your wrist should be underneath your shoulders and knees underneath your hip. Spine should be neutral initially. All right. Now breathe in, make an arch in your spine, try to look up. Breathe out, make a hunch. Breathe in, make an arch. Breathe out, make a hunch. Breathe in, make an arch. Breathe out, make a hunch. Breathe in, look at your front. Open up your knees up to mat width apart. Join your toes together and keep your hip over your heels. Forehead down into Balasana or child's pose. Stay here for a while. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly look at your front and gently inhale, lower your pelvic, come to Bhujangasana. Exhale, move back into Parvatasana. Hold on here, 1, 2, and 3. Again drop your knees down, place your forearms on the ground. Put your crown of the head in between of your forearms. Now slowly up your knees, come on your toes. You can walk a little bit front. Try to engage your shoulders and forearms here so that the whole weight will not come on your head. And hold on here. 1, 2, and 3. Drop your knee down. Inhale, knees up. Exhale, knee down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up and lift your right leg up. 1, 2, and 3. Drop it down. Knee down. 1, 2, 3. Again up. And this time lift your left leg up. Point your toes here. 1, 2, and 3. Drop it down. Knees down and child's pose. Normalize your blood rush. Inhale and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Move forward into Bhujangasana. Breathe out, move back into Parvatasana. Hold on here. Settle your legs and palms here. Push yourself back a little bit. Inhale and exhale. Move forward up your heels. Come to Santolanasana or plank pose. 1, 2, and 3. Knees, chest and chin on the ground. Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, come up to Bhujangasana. Exhale, move back into Parvatasana. Again, drop your knees, chest and chin on the ground. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Again, drop your knees, chest and chin on the ground. Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana here. Now bend your left knee out like this and stay here. You can feel the stretch on your right side of the lower back in your lumbar region. 1, 2, and 3. Take your left leg back into Parvatasana. Again, drop your knees, chest and chin down. Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Now this time take your right leg out, bend your leg and hold on. The same stretch you can feel on your left side of the lower back. 1, 2, and 3. Exhale, take your right leg back into Parvatasana. Hold on. 1, 2, and 3. Lift your left leg up in the air. Inhale here and exhale. Touch your left knee to your left elbow like this. And come down, bend your elbows down. 1, 2, and 3. Take your left leg back, come to Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Similarly, lift your right leg up Bend your leg and touch to your right elbow. Again, come down. 1, 2, 3. Right leg back. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Repeat this for 2 or 3 times. Left leg up. Touch your left elbow. Come down. Inhale up. Exhale back. Right leg up. Touch your right elbow. Come down. Right leg back. Inhale up. Exhale, go back into Bhujangasana and hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now knees down, right hand up in the air, inhale, and exhale. Take your right hand under your left, drop your head and shoulder down. Take your left hand up and try to twist your spine here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Drop your left palm down, withdraw your right hand, inhale up. Exhale, put your right palm down and similarly lift your left hand up in the air, inhale. Exhale, take your left hand under your right, drop your left shoulder and head down. Right hand up, twist your spine. Inhale and exhale here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your right palm down. Withdraw your left hand, put it down. Now inhale, arms up, stand on your knees. Try to bend your back. Exhale, come down to child's pose. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up, try to bend your back. Exhale, hip down, child's pose. Inhale, bend your back. Exhale, hip down, child's pose, and hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come up to tabletop pose, please. Now bring your right leg front. Inhale, arms up. Push your right leg front and bend your back. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, go forward. Put your palms down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, palms down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, palms down. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, arms up. 3, 2, 1. Put your palms down. Now turn to another side. This time, drop your right knee down and up your left knee like this. Now inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Hold on here. 1, 2, 3. Now bring your both hands in between of your legs. Come up in this position. Now inhale. Arms up, try to bend your back. Exhale, go forward, put your palms down. Hold on here. 1, 2, and 3. Again, inhale, arms up, bend your back. Exhale down. Take your right hand up. Hold on. 1, 2, and 3. Put your right palm down. Take your left hand up. 1, 2, and 3. Drop your palms down. Now grab your big toes like this and hold on. Inhale and exhale. Try to drop your head down if possible. Hold on here. You can feel the stretch on your calf muscles, on your hamstrings and glutes. 3, 2, 1. Head up. Put your palms down on the ground. Inhale, bring your hands front of you. Inhale here. Now exhale, move to the left side. Up your toes like this. Inhale up. Exhale, move to the right side. 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale, palms on your waist. Hold on here. 3, 2, 1. Now turn your whole body to the left side like this and sit back in Dhyana Virasana. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Now come up. Now from right side, turn to the right side, back and down. 1, 2, 3. Again up. And now left side. Now my left leg is over to my right. That's why I'm lifting my left hand up and right hand down. Inhale here. And with exhalation, try to grab your hands like this in Gomukhasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Exhale, come up. Now from your right side, turn back again. Now this time take your right hand out and left hand back side. Exhale. Hold on please. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release your hands. Inhale and exhale. Turn to the front side. Drop your knees down. Now stand on your knees. Take your right leg out like this. Relocate your legs and maintain your balance. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, put your right hand on your right leg and left hand over to the ear. Parighasana or gate pose. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. And exhale, put your left palm on your left heel and bend your back. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, put your right hand on your right leg, left hand over to the ear. 1, 2, and 3. Inhale up. Exhale, left hand on your left heel, right hand back. 1, 2, 3. Inhale up. Exhale, right side. 1, 2, and 3. Inhale up. Exhale back and hold on. 3, 2, 1. Inhale up. Exhale, palms down. Now drop your right knee down and take your left leg out. Again, maintain your balance here. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, put your left hand on your left leg, right hand over to the ear. 1, 2, and 3. Inhale up. Exhale, put your right hand on your right heel and bend your back. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, left hand on your left leg, right hand over to the ear. Inhale up. Exhale, right hand on your right leg and bend your back. 1, 2, 3. Inhale up. Exhale down. 3, 2, 1. Inhale up. And last time, exhale back. 1, 2, 3. Inhale up. And exhale, come down on your mat and come to the tabletop pose again. Stay here and child's pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly come up to tabletop pose and one by one bring your legs side of the palms into Malasana. Join your palms together. Keep your spine straight. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, come up. Try to bend your back. Exhale, come down to squat position. Put your left hand back and lift your body up. 1, 2, and 3. Come back to Malasana. Inhale, arms up, bend your back. Exhale, come down. Put your right palm behind your back, hip up, bend your back. Again, come back to Malasana. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, down. Put your left palm behind your back, hip up. Hold on here. 1, 2, and 3. Come back to Malasana. Inhale, arms up. Exhale down. Put your right palm behind your back, hip up. Bend your back. 1, 2, 3. Come to the Malasana. 1, 2, 3. Put your palms down. Take your legs one by one back. Join your toes together and child's pose. Breathe in and breathe out. Normalize your breath. Slow inhalation and exhalation. Slowly come up and sit back in simple cross-leg position. Normalize your breath. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Hari Om Tat Sat.